Hey everyone, it's Lulu. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a smooth base plantain fufu. So on the box it says boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan, step 1. Step 2, add 1 cup of plantain fufu flour to the hot pot and mix with a spatula to form a mold. Step 3, turn on moderate heat for 5 minutes to obtain a desired thickness and serve with soup or stew. So let's get our saucepan and then our measuring cup, 2 cups of water. Okay, so I actually added 4 cups of water to the saucepan. Next, we're going to measure the fufu. 1, 2. Okay. So as you can see, I did not boil the water. I just started putting the water in the pot and the fufu mix. So that's the first step. You do not need to boil the water, otherwise it's going to make your fufu very bulky. To make a smooth base, you want to start with the cold water in the pot and then add the mix into the water and just stir it. So this is going to be 4 cups of water and 2 cups of plantain fufu mix. So I'm just going to stir it until everything is dissolved in the water. Again, if you do follow the instructions on the box, it does say to do the boiled water and then add in the fufu mix. And that's not necessarily what you want to do if you want a smooth base of fufu, because as you can see, it's already, bulky. If the water was boiling, then it wouldn't be very smooth. So just break everything apart so there's no lump. You can see there's a lump. You want to just get rid of all the lumps, make it smooth. You want to clean your stove so nothing gets on the stove while you're cooking. And then you're going to turn on the stove and let it heat up. In the meantime, while you're letting it heat up, you can grab a bowl of water and set it aside, and then grab your plate that you want to put the fufu on and set it aside next to it. Next, you're just going to mind the fufu, continue stirring it for a while until it starts boiling. So when you're doing this process, I would recommend to do a wooden spoon because they're a lot easier to work with. It takes a lot of patience for this part. Also, if you are doing a big meal for like more than 3 people, I would do 5 cups of water and 2 cups of fufu. If you are doing a smaller portion, just do 2 cups of water and 1 cup of fufu. Just keep stirring it until it gets thicker. See, I already have a smooth base. Do you see how it's getting very sticky? That's what you want. It's getting sticky. So it's cooking. If it does get super sticky like this, what you want to do is put water on your spoon. Continue. I will also recommend to make this in a bigger pot if you're going to do 5 cups of water and 2 cups of plantain flour. So it doesn't look like this in a small pot. Just a recommendation. Just continue stirring it. Make your arm work out. When you're mixing it, you want to get the bottom of the pot because you don't want it to get stuck on the pot, the bottom of the pot. So it's looking good. I would say that 2 more minutes and then it will be done. See how thick it is, and it's very smooth and not bulky. So at this point, it's all cooked. So next, what you're gonna do, turn off the stove, and then you're going to scoop everything, mold it in the pot, put it on the plate. And you're going to put water in the pot right away. So the next step is going to be molding it. So you want to take your bowl of water and you're going to put your hands in the water and mold the fufu. You want to continue putting water on your hand or else it's going to stick. So water and mold, water and mold, water and mold. All done, and now for the best part, eating it. Okay, so everybody eats fufu in lots of many different ways, with lots of different kind of soups and stews and whatever. But where I'm from, Liberia, we normally swallow the fufu. It's not meant to be chewed, all right? All right. Okay, so here's the process. A bowl of water. You have your fufu. Don't worry, I won't eat all of this. Or maybe I might. Just kidding. And then we have our soup. My choice of soup is okra soup. So you dip your hand in the water. Cup your hand like this because you're going to cut and the fufu in a small little bite. Cut it like this. Like this. You put it in the soup and then you swallow it. It's not meant to be chewed, which is why it's like very soft so that it can go down the throat very easily. When you're making it, don't make it too hard because see how soft it is? Very soft. So yeah, that's how I eat my fufu. Thank you for watching and I will see you later.